Hello, it's Joby from OMC Ford in Oldham, and today here we have in stock a Ford Puma 1 litre ST Line X mild hybrid, coming in the very popular Desert Island Blue premium colour. It's had one previous owner with 16,082 miles on the clock. It's a fantastic looking car. The colour really makes the vehicle stand out. It's got 18-inch diamond cut alloys. The vehicle is surrounded with Continental tyres. The car comes with some fantastic features as your rear privacy glass, rear parking sensors and power folding wing mirrors. So it is the mild hybrid, so it's a regenerative braking system, so the battery helps the engine, so it's better for economy, so the vehicle is better on fuel. As it's a 1 litre, it's a 3-cylinder engine, so you get really good performance but low emissions with the vehicle. Now, my favourite personal thing about the Ford Puma, if you aren't already aware, is the boot size. So I'll just show you, it does come with a standard platform. If you raise the platform for your golf lovers, you can actually stand up a set of golf clubs in the boot. Or if you don't like golf, it's just some extra storage. But I just like to emphasise the size of the boot that you get with the Ford Puma. And at the bottom you can see it's got a plug. So if you do use it for walking, putting your dirty things in there after a nice hike, you jet wash it out and it keeps that area nice and clean. Now we're inside the driver's side of the vehicle. Just like to talk to you about some interior features. Coming with the touchscreen dash, which includes DAB radio, satellite navigation, Android and Apple CarPlay. Below you'll find some air conditioning features, which also include front heated windscreen. And below you also get a wireless charging pad that comes with the ST Line X edition. It's a stop-start model. On your steering wheel it comes with your likes of cruise control, lane keeping, and the vehicle also includes auto lights. The ST Line spec also includes the red stitching part leather seats. All our vehicles here at Ford Oldham, before they go onto our pitch, are done 160 mechanical check inspections, so all our vehicles leave safe and secure for your own peace of mind. If you do feel like this vehicle is for you, you can reserve it online with a £99 deposit. Alternatively, if you are looking for more information, you can call up on 0161 287 4141, ask for myself, Joby, and I can do you a personalised video going into more detail about the features and specification of the vehicle. You can also book yourself in for a test drive, or if you'd like to discuss some finance options, we do offer hire purchase and PCP with this Ford Puma, alternatively cash if you prefer, and I can also give you a part exchange valuation if you are looking to trade in your car. So give us a call on 0161 287 4141, and my name's Joby.